Wow, 34 peppers. Look at all these colors. We've got deep reds, bright yellows, and vibrant greens. Each pepper is like a little package of flavor, just waiting to be opened. Think of all the yummy food we can make. This harvest is a real celebration. We've worked hard for months, taking care of these plants, giving them sunshine and water. And now our garden is giving back to us. Let's take a closer look at these amazing peppers. From sweet to spicy, there's a pepper here for everyone. Get ready for a cooking adventure. Let's start with some familiar faces, bell peppers. They're nice and plump, and they're so juicy and sweet. We've got red, yellow, orange, and green, each one with its own special flavor. Red bell peppers are the sweetest. If you roast them until the skin gets a little bubbly, they get a smoky flavor that's perfect for dips. Yellow bell peppers taste like sunshine. They're great in salads, sliced up nice and thin. Orange bell peppers are somewhere in between sweet and tangy. They add a beautiful color to any dish. Try grilling them with chicken or tofu. They get a lovely caramelized flavor. Green bell peppers are a bit bitter, but also fresh and crisp. They're perfect for stir-fries and salsas, and they add a nice flavor to savory dishes. Now, let's explore the world of spicy peppers. Chilies are small, but they pack a punch. Be careful though, because they can be quite hot. Cayenne pepper is often used in spicy cooking. When it's ground into a powder, it adds a fiery kick. Just a little bit goes a long way. Bird's eye chilies are tiny, but they're very strong. If you don't like really spicy food, you might want to skip these. They're great in curries and sauces. Scotch bonnets are fiery, but they also have a little bit of sweetness. They're often used in Caribbean cooking. Try them in jerk chicken or hot sauces if you like things extra spicy. Remember, a little heat goes a long way. Start with a small amount and see how you like it. And it's always a good idea to have a glass of milk or yogurt nearby, just in case things get too hot. Now for something smoky, chipotles. These are jalapenos that have been smoked, which gives them a special flavor. They add a deep, interesting taste to any dish. If you have dried chipotles, soak them in hot water first. Your kitchen will smell amazing. You can blend them into adobos, which are rich, flavorful sauces. Chipotles are great in chili con carne, and they even taste good with chocolate. Experiment and see what you like best. Remember, a little goes a long way with chipotles. Their strong flavor can easily take over a dish, so start with a small amount. Let's talk about habaneros. These peppers are fiery and fruity, with a citrusy flavor. Their bright orange color is a warning sign. They're hot. Habaneros are delicious in salsas and hot sauces. Their fruity flavor adds a lot of depth. Use them sparingly, though. Try habanero hot sauce with grilled fish or chicken. The fruity heat goes really well with smoky flavors, or add a little bit to your guacamole for an extra kick. Remember, habaneros are very hot. Wear gloves when you're handling them so you don't burn your skin, and always wash your hands well afterwards. Finally, let's talk about jalapenos. These are a very useful chili with a medium heat. They're bright green and have a fresh flavor. They're used a lot in Mexican cooking. Jalapenos are great pickled or fresh. Add them to tacos, nachos, and burritos for a spicy kick. You can also roast them to get a smoky flavor, which is great in salsas. Poblano peppers are bigger and milder than jalapenos. They also have a smoky flavor that's delicious when roasted. Try stuffing them with cheese or meat. Remember, you can take the seeds and membranes out of chilies to make them less spicy. And always taste your food as you're cooking, so you can adjust the spice level to your liking.